Recording and editing voice with smartphone like a pro for free. Recording and editing quality audio is essential for any content creator, but not everyone can afford expensive equipment. In this video, we'll show you how to use your smartphone to record and edit audio like a pro without spending a dime. Welcome to our tutorial on recording and editing voice with a smartphone. In this video, we'll show you how to get professional quality audio recordings using only your smartphone. First, let's talk about microphone placement. Make sure that the microphone is placed closer to your mouth for better and clearer sound. Find the quietest location possible to avoid distractions and start recording. For free built-in mic apps, use a third-party app like Voice Record Pro or Audio Memos to record audio. Both provide filters, settings for automatic gain control, and skip silent periods to enable high-quality recordings and editing. Section 2: Editing. Once you have the recording, transfer it to your editing app of choice. Audacity is a free, feature-packed audio editor that works on computers and smartphones. For Android users, Samsung SoundCamp and Lexus Audio Editor are two great free options. For iPhone users, GarageBand is an excellent editing app. Once you have the app, import the audio and start editing. With the proper app, it's easy to cut out any unwanted sections, reduce background noise, and enhance audio quality. You can also add music, introductions, and more to personalize your audio. Section 3: Exporting the file. When you are satisfied with your recording and editing, export the audio file. You can export it by selecting the Share button from your application. You can send it via email or upload it to your media channel. And that's it. Now you are ready to post your high-quality audio content and impress your audience.